Hi, I'm Renata Telos, and I will be showing you how Swiftly works. Swiftly is a mobile app that is integrated to a backend system. And I'm going to show you the mobile app consumer user point of view. So in this specific case, I'll be talking about a guy called John Riley. John Riley is our perfect target market. He's a guy who travels from Reading to London every day. And he's quite frustrated because he's never prepared for his long drive time. And he travels into London every single day for about 43 minutes one way. And we are going to show you how Swiftly can actually help maximize John Riley's drive time. So before we go into anything furthermore, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how the actual menu bar above and what it all means. And then we will show you how we are going to bring value into John Riley's life and other people such as himself. So let's talk about this. So on the top here, right now we've logged in and we can see that we have a specific playlist that's being brought as current. This is where actually everything happens. We have current playlist, we have all, and we have saved. Current playlist is the playlist that actually is linked to the specific time. For example, it's now 10:53 at the moment, and therefore the playlist that's closest to the specific time is actually valid and it's automated. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the categories. We have various categories. We have brought in small audios that people can use. They'll bring in current information, also learning information, audio which will actually build on habits, that'll help people learn. For example, we have a category here going to. What we have here is categories and audios that are relevant for people that are going into meetings, how to build rapport, for example, how to land a job interview, or someone that's going on a date, for example. Then we also have a category for international news. This is international news, which is very current. All this audio here overwrites the previous audio, so it only has a current audio on each playlist. You can also see health news, tech news, business news, sports news. You can learn a language. You can see entrepreneurship and business. There's also audios and podcasts that are linked to specific things. For example, if you want to learn 5 minutes of marketing every day, or you want to listen to Gary Vee for motivation, you can listen to the Harvard Business Review podcast. There's a lot of different, in the morning, you may want to also do 10-15 minutes of meditation. There's different audios that are linked to meditation. Okay, so you get the gist. There are different categories. Then we come into the schedule screen. The schedule screen is actually how you create your playlist. This playlist, what we recommend initially is that people create their own playlists, but eventually the point is that we will start creating playlists for people automatically based on their movements and based on their interests. Okay, so John Riley himself, he's created a 6 a.m. wake up playlist. He wants to, at 6 a.m., while he's trying to get up in the morning, he's going to do a 10-minute meditation, and then he's going to be inspired by Brendan Burchard. Following that, here's another playlist for his morning commute, which is the big purpose for this mobile app, is so that he can maximize his drive time. It brings him snippets of different audio that's relevant for him so that he feels like he's learning and growing, and at the same time maximizing his drive time. So what we did here is that we defined the name of the playlist, what time it should download all the audio, how long is the actual commute, or how long do we want the compilation of audio to be added up to. And then what it does, it creates you can select the channels you want to actually subscribe to for the split playlist. And then you can also change the order that you want your playlist. We have also an automated background where it actually prompts how and in which order the audio should be played. And then therefore you have your playlist ready. Okay, so in this specific case, we have what John Riley would like to do when he gets into his car. He wants to tap on a button, go into car mode, and just play. And it'll play in sequential order all the audio that's relevant to him. So the first audio that he wants to listen to in the morning when he gets into the car on a Monday morning is to focus on his motivation and his mindset.
There is a such thing.
So let's go back and see, following that, he wants to listen to Euronews, maybe NPR News, then he wants to listen to Tech News, he wants an update of science, which is like 2 minutes, 3 minutes of learning German, he only wants to listen to a couple of minutes of German, he wants to get updated with the football, etc. So there's a lot of different, it's a compilation of audio that he can listen to.
Dropping every excuse in
I'm going to put a pause now. And then I'm going to go back to, there's a search button, and then there's obviously the profile information, which is not relevant. The whole purpose of Swiftly is so that John Riley can maximize his time, so he feels like he's learning and growing and maximizing his drive time, bringing audio which is relevant for him. What our vision at Swiftly is that we want to be able to bring all different types of audio or multimedia audio. So we want to be able to bring audio that you have bought from, let's say, an online learning. You want to be able to upload it and include it into your playlist. We also want you to include maybe your favorite YouTube video, which is a meditation. If, for example, every morning you receive a newsletter and an email, and you want to be able to convert that into audio and maximize your drive time, we are going to be building this feature. So, and more importantly, we want to use this mobile app to integrate to other learning software. So, for example, you may have bought an online learning learning package that teaches you online marketing, specifically SEO. And instead of waiting every single night to actually listen to this or to watch the video, you can download this and put it into a specific playlist, break it down into the different playlists that you want to listen to, and you will be maximizing and learning, maximizing your time in the car as well as learning at the same time. The purpose of this is to bring a positive social impact. So people are feeling better, they're feeling like they're maximizing the time, they're growing and they're learning, and therefore we are bringing a social impact, positive social impact into the lives of these individuals. And imagine if we can impact not one John Riley, but 1 million John Rileys that are out there not maximizing their drive time. So we'd just like to thank you for listening to us here at Swiftly. We have a big vision, and we really believe that we can actually bring a positive impact into this world, into individual lives. Therefore, individual lives that will impact their businesses, their personal lives, their communities, their countries, and in the world we live in. Thank you very much.